Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of Sugarbox, and this is their 3rd anniversary box, and this is a curation of all their top rated products. And if you've never heard of Sugarbox, then it's a lifestyle subscription box, and it has a mix of fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and this is the best kind of ones, which are my favorite as well. I really like having a mix of fashion, beauty, skincare and lifestyle products in a subscription box, and I've been really meaning to try Sugarbox, and I really like the one curated by Nita Lula earlier. I wasn't sure about the earphones, but I really love the unicorn theme and everything. So anyway, I've been meaning to try Sugarbox, and finally, today I'm going to be reviewing their 3rd anniversary edition, which is a curation of their top rated products. And here we go, let's get started. So I haven't opened it, I'm just unboxing it now along with you guys. So this is what it looks like, and let's dig in. The first one here is these earmuffs, and it is really cute with the strawberry. I absolutely love it. Although the winter is getting over and we don't have like such cold winters in Hyderabad, but I think this is going to be really fun when you're traveling either to hill stations or even in winter if you're like sitting out and working late in the evening. This is going to be fun. And again, something wintry. These are really cute gloves again with a little bit of fur, and I quite like this color as well. It's very neutral and you can actually style it on any colored outfits. These are those half gloves, and they're very soft, and the quality is really good for this one as well. There's those metal and tassel earrings. These are also quite pretty. The thread quality is not that great, but overall they look nice, and since they're black, they go with a lot of different outfits, and these are sort of something you can wear for Indo-Western and Indian outfits as well. But I'm not sure if every box has black or if the colors vary. And then there's this chocolate. It's called Pink Pie, and I think I mentioned this before as well. I really like it when subscription boxes include chocolates or some sort of a food thing or coffee. That is that. And next one is this really beautiful gold box. I'm not sure what is in this. Okay, it is taped. Oh wow, this is actually a watch, and this is from the brand which usually says Geneva. And if you've seen my Koti shopping haul, if you're from Hyderabad, and if you've seen my Koti shopping haul, then I had purchased some watches from there which also had the same brand name, Geneva. And this one is quite beautiful. I don't think I have a white watch from a very long time. I did have one in college, so I'm really excited about this one as well. I'm actually quite impressed with the watch. The quality is quite good actually, and it looks very elegant. It's perfect for casual use, and you don't have to worry that it's too expensive. I must say that it's quite a good mix of products so far, and quite good quality as well. And this is also a good quality strap, and you can use it for daily wear. And over here I can see a little bit of crumbles, those foldings, but apart from that, the strap quality is actually quite good. And then moving on, I think this is a skincare product from Organic Care. I have used Organic Care products earlier. They have an Instagram store. I'm not sure if they have a website, but from their Instagram store I have ordered a scrub, a hair oil and some other things. I haven't used them long enough to have a very good idea about the products, but I did think they're quite good. And here we go. This is an oatmeal lavender declogging scrub, and they're organic, natural, vegetarian and cruelty-free brand. And it has all the instructions as to how you use it, and all the ingredients are also mentioned. It says cane sugar, Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, lavender extracts, lavender essential oil. We say no to added colors, SLS, artificial preservatives, parabens, sulfate and chemical ingredients. That is pretty amazing. I quite like the packaging as well. It's very creative. Like, it's actually a normal plastic tub, but on top of that they have this labeling, and they have this to make it look all handmade and organic. Quite a good packaging. It has a mix of camphor, lavender and something else. I'm not able to tell, but yeah, I am going to use this, and I'm really excited about this one as well. And then we have 2 more products left, and looks like 2 amazing products. Looks like a good value for money actually. This is a purse or a handbag. It's a very beautiful peach color clutch, and I have seen this picture on their Instagram earlier, but okay, it has a knot and everything. So I wonder each time when I'm using it, you will have to knot it. unknot it and then open it. Okay. Okay, we'll see how that works. But yeah, it has a sling as well. You can use it as a clutch or a sling bag. Quality again is quite good. It's such a beautiful color. The last one is a clothing piece, and I think this is either a t-shirt or a hoodie. It says cute but psycho, and I think this is actually a small or an extra small. I did not realize that there was going to be a clothing item, and even they hadn't asked me. But anyway, I can gift this to a friend who will be able to relate to this. The quality of this one is also quite decent. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but it's quite decent. It's perfect for college or just for casual day out. And so that's it, we're done with the products. I would say that's pretty amazing deal, and that's quite a lot of products, and all of them are pretty good quality. That's like 7 products including the earrings and 8 including the chocolate. So that's quite a lot of products, and everything is of a good quality and everything is useful. There's a handbag, there's a hoodie, there is a skincare product. I quite like the earmuffs, they're very cute, and even the gloves are really cute. But however, because winter is over, I think we'll have to save it for some holiday. So those are my thoughts on Sugarbox's 3rd anniversary box. If you'd like me to review any other subscription boxes or anything else, do let me know in the comments below. Also let me know which one's your favorite product. I must say this one's my favorite, and I really like the peach clutch as well. But I think it can be a little tricky with this whole thing. Let's see how that works. And I quite like the watch as well. I'm pretty excited about the scrub too, actually. It's a lot of favorites, so let me know which one you like, and also let me know what you think of the box. I would generally say that 1800 is a little expensive, considering that all of the products are pretty good and very useful, and the quality is also pretty good. I would say you can definitely go ahead. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, and a lot of street shopping videos and hauls and lookbooks. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll leave my social media handles as well here, and you can find me there and we can stay in touch that way. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.